Here's a look around the street. You can see it is a townhome complex. And this is the townhome that we're looking at. Quick peek back around the front. And then through the door. Here's the inside, open concept, nice seating area with a fireplace. Attached is a little dining room area. And open kitchen. Little coffee spot there. Peek inside the pantry. Off the great room is a half bath. Little powder room. And this door right here is the garage. So one car garage, a little extra space on the sides and front. And from here we're going to go upstairs, take a look at the bedrooms. At the top of the stairs here is the laundry room area. The doors have been removed, they're available to put back on. And a full bath. This is a guest bedroom. Little workspace area inside the bedroom and sliders out to the balcony. It's a nice little seating area. And from here we're going to take a look at the master bedroom. This is done up for a little boy. We have some virtual pics to take a look at what it looks like with a little more traditional painting. 2 closets and an ensuite, full bath, shower and tub. And that's it.